Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: username, password, and your 2FA method, SMS or Authenticator app. Open the QuickPay app or the web login now. Make sure the app is updated and your device has a stable internet connection. Tap Sign in and focus. Do not create a new account. Once the login screen appears, enter your username exactly, then your password. If autofill prompts, verify the entry before submitting. Small typos cause delay, so check capitalization and special characters. After entering credentials, you'll hit Authentication. Complete 2FA promptly. Most codes expire in 60 seconds. If offered, choose the Trusted Device option for 30-day convenience only on private devices. Once authenticated, you land on the dashboard. Scan the layout for payments, accounts, and send /request icons. If you need to add a bank or card, tap Accounts and follow the 3-step link flow. The app explains verification, micro deposits, or instant bank login. Make sure to allow any. Finish by confirming a successful login. View your balance or recent transactions to ensure full access. If you're blocked, start a password reset immediately and have your device ID or registered email ready when contacting support. If authentication repeatedly fails, clear the app cache, confirm the app is the latest version, or switch to a secure Wi-Fi or cellular network. Do not use public Wi-Fi. One key tip: reboot your device before contacting support. It resolves many token and network glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.